All right, well, whilst Danny and the team, the other garage, ready for a bit of a flooring job today, well, I'm just going to pop down to the neighbour's house because they have got a garage that's a bit of a blank canvas. Now, it is the sort of thing that you'd see when you just move in a place or you've just built. It's empty, it is blank, and it is screaming for a bit of functionality. How many of you have kids that do sport on the weekend? Of course, your whole weekend's taken up by sport. I know the feeling. Then, of course, you've got sporting equipment, cricket bats, you've got shoes, you've got balls, basketballs all strewn throughout the house, through the bedrooms, through the garden. Well, lucky for these guys, they have just moved in and they have this beautiful blank canvas of a garage. I've never seen one so clean in my life. So I think now is the perfect time to bring a bit of organisation to all that chaos. Okay, we also need to think about a really functional space for the adults here too. You know, things to put your gardening tools in, the DIY area, and all that general garage clutter. And in true Healthy Homes Australia tradition, I have enlisted a couple of hands to give us some help. All right, so my plan is, I think I'm gonna make this side of the garage all about the adults. So we're gonna need a really good DIY space, a bit of a workbench, some storage shelves, and some really sturdy storage cabinets as well. And this side of the garage, well, this is gonna be all about the kids. So a bit of an extension to the rumpus room, all that sport equipment, the balls, the bats, that can go all up and on in here, out of the way. All right, so all of this is part of the new Urban range from Pinnacle Hardware. It's got this beautiful powder-coated matte black finish and this natural timber bench top. So it's kind of a sleek, good-looking range of units, but it's also industrial as well. I kind of think I'd probably have this inside my home, never mind the garage. Now, in terms of workbenches, well, you don't get much better than this. This is the premium workbench. And I really like it because the cupboards and the drawers, they all come with it, so you don't actually have to buy them separately. And the brilliant thing about this unit is that it comes pre-assembled, so all you need is a mate to help lift it onto the ute and bring it home. Alrighty, well, we will take a quick break and we'll come back later in the show, and I promise you all of this will be organised, categorised and systemised just the way Danny likes it. All right, well, earlier on in the show, we came to the neighbour's house, actually, because they had a bit of a blank canvas garage, and we decided to turn it into a storage paradise. So I have been on a bit of a shopping spree at Bunnings and picked up a few of my favourite pieces from Pinnacle Hardware. It's come together really nicely. So I've gone with not one, but two of the extra large storage cabinets. These are great because they're made out of really sturdy metal and you can put all your bits and pieces here. You've got paint tins, you've got tools, but I really like these little magnetic clips that Pinnacle do as well. So you can just choose where you want to clip those, I guess. So all in all, storage is king. So this is the Urban 3-tier industrial bench, and you can see it's pretty sturdy. Rookie mistake. I put the shelves on just the wrong height, so Aaron, come and give me a hand, mate. We've just got to belt these up a little bit, drop it down a couple of keyholes. And that's the good thing about this whole system is you can adjust heights and things based on what you want to store in here. This is the Urban 4-tier shelving unit, and it is a perfect addition to here because it's got that industrial strength feel about it, but it also looks amazing. I reckon you could use it in a cafe or a restaurant, or like I said earlier, even inside your house. But it is beautiful, it is strong, and is the perfect addition to today's garage makeover. If you've got heaps of stuff laying around all over the garage, these are really great. They actually come in a 3-pack and they're just little Pinnacle drawer organisers, and that will just help you stay a little bit more organised. If I was this owner, I would have all my power tools up on here as well on display, and of course it keeps them out of harm's way. And I think once you get a storage system that looks and feels this good, it's it's probably a bit more incentive to keep it nice and neat and tidy. Now, in terms of storage systems, do your research. Stay away from flimsy and try pick a system that all works together. I mean, this stuff is designed to be together and you get a beautiful uniformed look. All this stuff is from Pinnacle Hardware. They've got a great website actually. If you want to have a look at some bits and pieces that may work for your space, just jump onto pinnacle.net.au or head down to your local Bunnings.